lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. How are you, friends? So for today, what I'm going to do is I will update our sinking funds. How much is the changes from January until June, and after that, I will cash stuff 3,000 on all of our sinking funds binder. Okay, so I already write down the amount from last December 2025 and the amount that I saved until last month, June. So let's calculate how much is the changes. So let me just grab it. I already checked all of my binders and this is the amount that it's in here. Sorry about that. There's something going on our neighbor. So let's start. So last December, we saved 5,000 for our emergency fund, which is already in the bank. And then as of June, we have 5,430. So minus 5,000. So we save here an extra of 430. So there's a positive change. Yay! 430. And then for education, 1340. Hold on. 1120 minus 1340. So there's a negative. So we spend 220 or there's a negative change. And then for trouble, 350 minus 50. So there's a 300 positive change. And for parents emergency fund, now it's 310. So minus at the end of this last year, so there's a negative change of 2,690. The money is still in my binder, but I will send it in the Philippines later on with the remittance of my mother-in-law as well for her allowance. So for Christmas, so there's a positive change of 1,500. For retirement, positive change of 300. For health, now it's 230 minus 2,500. So there's a negative change of 370. Let me just, somebody's here. My husband just arrived. So,
Too much money.
so for dental, it's 750 as of June, and we started with 1,000. So there's a negative change of 250. And for vision, 1,200. So minus 1,000. So there's a positive change of 200. For self-care, 200 minus 500. So it's a negative change of 300. For birthdays, so there's no, because it's zero now, so it's negative 400. For my daughter, it's negative 400. So for my eldest daughter, there's a positive change of 50. For my uniko iho, so there's a positive change of 500. Why I put positive change there? Anyway, let me just take it out. Okay. And for my husband, positive change of 500. For my mom, 300. And for family fund, so there's a negative change. I already finished all of it. For just the two of us, for our date or anniversary, There's just negative change of 150 for holiday and festivities. So I already spent it. We already spent it for gift. So we already spent it for Amiga Day. So there's a positive change of 50. And for household, 2, 2, hold on, 2, 1, 50 minus 2, 2. So negative change of 50 for tech or gadget. There's a positive change of 50. Hold on. Sorry. There's someone noisy around me, which is my husband. So for shopping, already spent. So there's a negative change of 200. Right? Okay, so for help, now the total amount for help is 180. So minus 390. So there's a negative change of 210. And for hosting, from if someone came from Philippines and tourists here or visit here and we need to host them, so this is the money that we need to use for them. So 550 minus 750. So there's a negative change of 200. All right, so let's calculate it. So for month of December, it's 5,000 plus 1,340 plus 50, 3,000. 500 plus 400 plus 400 plus 550 plus 500 plus 200 plus 50 plus 300 plus 500 plus 2 2 plus 2 650 plus 500 plus 390 plus 750. So the total amount of this one is, so on my record, it's 23,680. Okay, sorry about that. So I made it a wrong one here for gift. It should be 200, not 300. I thought let me check. Let me check. Gift. Gift. No. Yeah, hold on. So yeah, 200 for 2025 year end. It's 200. Okay, I made it wrong. So that's correct. And for the total now, it's 5,430 plus 1,120 plus 350 plus 310 plus 15 plus 300 plus 2,130 plus 750 plus 1,200 plus 200 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 300 plus 50 plus 550 plus 2,150 plus 27 plus 300 plus 180 plus 550. So total of 21,570. So this is the total amount of 21,570 is the total amount of all the money in our sinking fund except the month ahead binder. So the month ahead is not part of this. It's only for sinking funds. And now let's go. I will not count this one, but I'm just letting you know that this is the total amount now. So the difference between This 2 is, hold on, 21570 minus 23680. So there's a deduction of 2110. All right, so let's go on our cash stuffing of our sinking funds. All right, so let's move along. So for our sinking funds, I allocated here 3,000. So my priority sinking fund is this two, as this is the most priority one. But let me start with this one first. So for emergency fund, 5,000 of emergency fund is already in the bank and it's gaining interest. And now let's add here 170. And let me write down. So for July plus 170, so total amount of, hold on, 430 plus 170, it's 600. Okay, let's check. Let's check. So this should be 5,600. Because I didn't write down 5,000 here because it's already in the bank. Okay. So 5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500, 50, 70, 80, 90. Yeah, 5,600. Let's get this so that I can use a smaller notes. I don't need to look for a change later. A little bit consolidation. All right, so that's the emergency fund. I put it on high yield saving account. Okay, so for education, I allocated here, how much I allocate education? $100. So far what we have here, maybe I'll update the tracker later. Okay, maybe update it in here. So this one is a total of 600. So my goal for emergency fund this year is save 2K additional, but let's see if I can do that. So for education, the total amount should be, hold on, I add here 100. So this is a voucher or coupon for bookshop. So I still have here. Okay, so 1,001, 150, 200, 220. So 220. So that's correct. Let me just put it again like this. So July additional of 100, so 1 to 20, which is correct. Okay, next one. Let's move here. So 1,220. So for travel, I allocated here $100. And for travel, let's add here 100. So 450 should be. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 450. Maybe. Okay, money. I'll write down here as well. 450. By the way, this notebook is planner is given to me by Mel of Momshi Queen. She gifted it to me last Christmas. And Next one is for parent. Okay, this is the one I'm telling about that. So for parents, the total amount here should be 3,560 June, but I deducted here 3,250 because last time that my mother-in-law hospitalized in the Philippines, my husband uncle used his money to pay for the bills, and that one we need to share it with me and my brother-in-law need to share the bills, and it costs us 25,000. So that money I will get it from here, from my parents EF. That's why now we deducted it from here, and I will put it in remittance. So cause I need to send it to my mother-in-law so that she can pay for it, pay for it. So I send it together with with her allowance because my husband's uncle asking for it now, and I forgot about it. So luckily I have we have sinking fund for that. So now it's 310. So let's just add up here for this month 150. That's the thing about sinking fund. It's not happened yet, but I know you're gonna need the money. Not today, not tomorrow, or not next year. You never know when you will need the money. So at least there's something that you can use for it, and you don't need to swipe your card or ask someone or ask money to someone. So that's the purpose of the sinking fund. This sinking fund is already served. Oh, it served the purpose already. So for July, it's 150. Hold on. Plus 150. So the total amount now here is, should be half and half, but what happened is we cannot do that. All right, so let's count the total. Should be 310 plus 150. So it's 460. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Oops, sorry, I shake my camera. So for Christmas, I allocated here, hold on, I didn't write down here. How much? 460. So for Christmas, I allocated here 500. So the goal for this year is 4K, and I hope I can save that amount. Still halfway there, halfway to save it. So total amount here is now 2,000. So 1,000, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000 so far. So why I allocated more this time, because I have part-time job, and we have extra money, of course. Hopefully I can, they will ask for my service again. I hopefully. So for retirement, I allocated here $100. And so far what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 400. And let's write down plus 100. So it's 400 now. Yay! So where we want to retire. As for me, I cannot retire on in the Philippines 100%, and I cannot retire in Hong Kong 100%. So maybe 50-50, going back and forth. So for now, let's just save for retirement. All right, so the next binder will be our health binder. And retirement, how much? I forgot. Hold on. Sorry about that. It's 400. So for health, I just have an appointment today. For health, I have the consultation today. In Hong Kong, few years back, there's no payment for consultation and medication. But now, we have, for my consultation, there's some payment of 150, and for my medicine, it's $130. So a total of 180, which is I write down here. And I allocated today for $70. So I spent more than save. So let me just count how much now. So for health, the total amount here is 1,000. Okay, 1,950 plus 70 should be 2,020 plus 70. It's 2,020. Let me just write it down here. Okay. 1,000, 1,005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2020. All right. So it's a maintenance medicine. I will show you the medicine picture or the photo. I'll just show anywhere on the screen. So let me just do this first. So now it's 1,000. How much? Oh, no, wrong. 2020. Okay. So it's 2020. And for dental, I allocated here 150. You know what? I will just update the tracker later so that it will not take time. 150. So the total amount here now is 500, 6, 7, 8, 900. Okay, let me just July plus 150, so 900. And for vision, I allocated here $100. So for vision plus 100, so it's 100, 1,300. So for vision, okay, so for Christmas goal is 4K, retirement goal is 1K for this year. And then for health consultation, I think 2.5 for at least to fully funded it. Dental is 1.5. Vision is 2K goal. Because me and my husband is the one who needed it the most at the moment. So total now it's 1,300. Let's see. So 1,001, 2, 3. So 1,300. That's correct. So for beauty or self-care, I allocated here $100. So the total amount here now is 300. Okay, that's correct. Plus 100. Alright, so for the next binder, which is family binder or birthday binder, let me get this one then. Okay, so for birthday binder or family binder, let me, for my envelope, it's empty because I already used it last March and my second daughter as well. So we have the same month, March. So I allocated here for her 50, for me 50, so 100. So we're sharing same envelope because we have same birthday month. So now it's 100. For my first daughter, my eldest, I didn't allocate here, so it still stay. She only used 500 of for the one I saved for her, so I will just roll over it into next year. Okay, so for my hubby and my son, I allocated here 300 each, so a total of 600. Let me just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so 300 each. So their birthday is coming next month, and this time we're not going to Philippines. Last year we celebrated it in the Philippines, but there's something happened. So this year my husband decided to stay in Hong Kong to celebrate it. Let's see where he want to go. So 300, 300. So each of them got, I think, 800 already. So him 800 and my son 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 800. So their birthday is in the same day in August. Yeah, so double celebration. So I just write down here plus 300. So next month I will allocate 200 on each of them so that there's a 1,000 for the celebration. But I know it's not enough, but let's see. So for my mom birthday, which is in October, I allocated here 200. Okay. So I didn't say for my mom-in-law birthday because normally we're in the Philippines and we're using our vacation money there, vacation or travel money for in celebration of her birthday as well. So I don't I don't say for birthday on her birthday because I know we need more than what I'm saving here. So that's why it's together with our travel or vacation fund. So now it's 500. So for family fun, I allocated here $70. 1, 2, 3. So this is empty. We use it on Father's Day, so July, plus 70. So it's now $70. And for just the two of us, fund or anniversary or date, I allocated here $50. I know it's not enough because we're a foodie couple, but for now, let's say $50. So total amount here is 100 plus 50 and For holiday and festivities, I allocated 100. So not every month I will allocate money on each envelope. That is only this month because I have part-time job. I work for 3 weeks. That's why. So for this one holiday, 100. So there's a 100 now here on this envelope. So for gift, it's empty. So I'll allocate 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where I use the gift. The gift I basically use it for Mel's kids if they have birthdays or other kid because now only Mel's and my other cousin have small kids and the rest is already teenagers and adults. So for this one I allocated 100. So if you don't know, Mel is my cousin. Her channel is Momshi Queen. So for Amiga or my best friend, my BFF in Hong Kong, it's been a while since we get together, but I allocated here 50 today. So now there's a 600 fund for us, for the three of us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total amount here is 600. Let's see. So 500, 540, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, yeah, 600. So for concert, I don't have, I didn't allocate money there. So let's see if I can allocate next time. So next binder, which is the low priority one, which is this one. So for household, I allocated here, oh no, I didn't allocate here for July. And for gadget, I didn't allocate here, but let me write down. So I didn't allocate here, so total amount is still the same, 2,150. And for gadget or tech, it's the same. No allocation. I didn't allocate here. So July is 0. So total 2,700. Still the same. For shopping, I allocated 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 100 plus, oh, I have 20s here. 300 plus 100, so 400 total. Okay. So for help, any help that someone asks me for help, especially in the Philippines, I'm using this fund. So for help, I allocated here $50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total amount here now is, so for 50, so it's 230. Let's check. 50, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 200, 230. Okay, that's correct. And last but not the least, for hosting or for our friends or relatives who come in Hong Kong for visit or tour, this is the money that I'm or the fund that it's for them when they come here and we need to treat them or just host them. So there's additional here for, so we don't allocate in June, no allocation in June. In July, additional of 40 plus 40, so total of 590. Let's check if it's the last 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So now it should be 590. So 500, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's correct. All right. So our sinking fund allocation or sinking fund cash stuffing is done. I hope you watch until the end, and if you reach the end of this video, please put a butterfly and strawberry on your comment. Thank you so much for all of your support. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. Bye for now, lovelies, and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye.